Hi guys, it's Denise with Simply Love Subs, and today we are going to be making some more bath bombs. We are still testing out and all that good stuff. Make sure I'm getting my recipe right. I really like the last recipe that I did, so I'm going to give it one more try, and then we just might make this a winner chicken dinner. It's similar to the recipes that I've used before, just changing up a few of the butters. And instead of using alcohol or witch hazel, I'm actually using water. And to be honest, I thought Laura and Jen were crazy when they said that they use water to make their bath bombs and that it would make your bath bomb really hard. And guys, I'm the crazy one because it works. So I've got my recipe, I've got my citric acid, I've got my oils and butters, I have my fragrance oil, my polysorbate 80, and my water. And I'm going to use two colors, which I'm going to be using the Blue One Lakes color. And then I'm going to try this D&C Red 27 Lakes color, and I'm going to try to make this one two-tone while using the mold that I got from Be Scented. So guys, I'm going to get this all mixed up and I will bring you back. Okay guys, we are back and we have this beautiful purple that I used the Blue Lakes one with, and then I added the red, I believe it's Red 27 Lakes, and then this is the blue one with at a quarter of a teaspoonful. So let's give this a try. Put a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of that one. Stir just a little bit. And we're going to add a little bit to that. A little bit to that one. Oh, and I don't remember if I said what fragrance oil we're using. We're using Volcano by Capri Blue, and it is a greater than 200 flash point and no vanillin. So, let's see how this turns out. I may not have to do that little chopstick swirl in the center, hopefully. Very cute. Very cute. I like these colors together. Oh, let's try it without the chopstick swirl. A little bit of that one. A little bit of that one. A little more of that one. A little more of that one. Spidge a bit more on that one. Make my little mound. Turn it off. Oh, this smells so good. There we go. Get that stuff off of it. Let's slide right on out. See how this one looks. Oh, I think this looks better. Look at that. I think that looks better. All right. Press. I may have worked that one. Maybe not. Maybe not. Very cute. Let's reverse the colors this time. Let's do more of the that. Loosen up that mix just a little bit. See how this one looks. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let's see, let's do another one of these. That one's pretty, but not quite as pretty as the others. A little more on that top. Hold on right, Denise. Oh, this smells so good. I got this fragrance because of Nicole at Sin City Soaps. I love her Volcano skulls that they make. Her and Wayne make some beautiful bath bombs. And and I fell in love with the Volcano fragrance from those. And I think I want a soap and everything else kind of with this scent as well. So I went and got me some. But this one is from Be Scented. I'm not sure where Nicole gets hers from. I'm pretty sure it's Nature's Garden, but I'm not sure. Look how pretty that one is. Yes, very pretty. Just a little more. Very cute. So I'm thinking I'm liking the ones where I do about 4 to 6 different passes in the colors. I think I'm liking that. I'm liking this recipe. I'm not having to fight with it as much. So I think, look how pretty that one is. I think we just might have a winner on this recipe. probably going to be the last full-size one I'll get out. And that's what I'm thinking. Need a little bit more mounted on that one. So, and there we go. Now I just need to get this into my little, move that over to the side. Get this into my little mold. Got some glitter for this thing. It just makes it easier to get the bath bomb out of the little press. Sorry, got this big old pot in the way. I'm just going to take and press this in because it's not enough for a full one. But this is kind of like what I do with my extra little powder. Either that or I put it in a jar and just sprinkle it in. Take it, press it down, and there we go. We have a little cute sample. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you. I do this because I love making these products, and I make the videos because I have met so many awesome people, and it's so fun to know people from all around the world and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys have a blessed day and be well.